What if you could scan and copy text straight from paper without retyping? Let's use your Galaxy S25 Ultra to do it. First, open Camera app, tap the quick control icon, then tap the settings icon. Here, you have to make sure that scan document and text is turned on. Now, go back to the camera and make sure you are in photo mode with the rear camera active. Point the camera at the document or paper with the text you want to capture. When text is detected, a T-scan icon will appear on the screen. Tap the icon to start scanning. Here you can either manually select just the part you want, or tap copy all to copy everything to the clipboard. After copying, simply paste the text into notes, messages, or any app you need. And that's it. With just a few taps, your Galaxy S25 Ultra turns printed text into digital text. Fast, easy, and no typing needed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.